Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Balenciaga sunglasses model BB0095s in color code 003. The color of the frame is pink. And the lenses are red. These glasses have an oval shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Balenciaga logo engraved in the lens. The temples are also pink, and you'll find the Balenciaga BB in gold on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And these lenses are also UV protected. On its inner right temple is the Balenciaga logo in white that is made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 53 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. These glasses are also perfect for summer. The glasses also come with the Balenciaga case, with the Balenciaga logo on the case, and on the inside of the case as well. A Balenciaga cleaning cloth, and on the cloth is the Balenciaga logo, a Balenciaga authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Kering. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any other frames, head over to the link in the description and check out eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.